We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the
good stuff.
What's up, guys? We are here in Casco Viejo, basically the old city here in Panama City, Panama. We have just checked into our Airbnb here. We are very close quarters with some other buildings here. That's pretty much what you can expect being here in downtown. Have this beautiful place, 2 bedrooms, nice little kitchenette here. We do have AC in both of the rooms, which is a nice luxury here in Panama because it is very warm. Beautiful open space. Let's take a look at the bedrooms real quick first. So bedroom number 1, nice big queen bed here, some place to store some things. AC unit up there. Bathroom right there, nice full bathroom. And bedroom number 2, numero dos. Nice big windows, also pretty thick walls for how loud it is here. It's actually really quiet inside of here, which is really nice. We were a little concerned about that. And most importantly though, the balcony. So walking out here, soundproof doors apparently. We'll see for ourselves tonight. And yeah, here we are. This is the busy Casco Viejo, really interesting old city. Apparently, the show Money Heist, Papa de Casel, Tokyo, stayed in this apartment, which is really cool. We'll have to find that scene, try to relive it. We got a hammock, some cool plants, and we are right here at the center of things. There's a restaurant down below us and parks to walk around. It's just very fascinating to be here. And for our last stop in this one, we're heading only around 15 minutes from Casco Viejo to the Metropolitan Natural Park. We were blown away that there's a 573-acre nature sanctuary directly next to this big city. The park is home to 227 bird species, 45 mammals, 36 kinds of snakes, and 14 kinds of amphibians. When we arrived, I jokingly asked the security guy, "Where are the sloths?" And to our surprise, he said, "Come with me." Turns out there was a sloth in the tree almost directly above where we parked. Afterwards, we walked the Titi trail, which I think was like a mile and takes you to the top of Cerro Cedro for impressive views over Panama City. We didn't see any monkeys, but these cuatimundis made up for it, and it was our first time seeing them up in the trees. Such a cool place. And with that, we're wrapping up this one. So thank you guys so much for watching. We have a lot more in store for Panama, so stay tuned, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.